chinh yên ba pi clay hanga naru da Jingkmen da chinh yên ngan rua shat snow pa Aslam ngayai ab ngaju kni lanti lanu shakapor bakan poi dan lekmen bapi Dajing Jingkmen skopa ali minya shatlang bapi batnga mamar tutup bani madai kapor ka ayam skopa Macam lasai kemawa yaka warnom kuslai shisin habalaben.
Yo, what's up, my people?
What's up, Meghalaya, our people, our family?
Wallah, from Africa.
Yeah, Bamba Club, welcome back again, your African
Boys, gabsgabitv.
Yeah, I'm from Shillong and he's from Moke.
My name is Muhat Sunil Kumar from Bangladesh.
What do you know now about Meghalaya now?
Oh,
Can you tell something just is known
Something
about them?
brief about
Meghalaya,
Meghalaya.
Shillong.
Meghalaya is a head. You understand? So Shillong is the capital city,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Number one. Number two, what I know is Meghalaya is most east of India, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I have a friend from there. Shout out to you, sweetie baby, sweetie Sherman. Yeah.
What is the highest religion?
The highest religion is a Christian now.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
At
I
least
know.
you know something,
Yeah,
right?
I know it. Kuchu.
Yeah, so today we are going, the only thing we don't know how to speak Khasi.
Khasi.
But maybe by reacting to Khasi people, we'll soon speak Khasi, will say,
Tum kaise ho?
No, they don't speak Hindi, man. Hindi is not their language.
But they can speak.
Yeah, some of them, they know Hindi, no problem. But Khasi is their language.
Okay, what do you know? Any word in Khasi?
To say thank you, in Khasi, you say Kublai Shubon.
Kublai Shubleng.
Kublai Shibon.
Kublai Shibo.
Shibon.
Shibon.
Yeah, Kublai Shibon.
Kublai Shibon.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
And to say my soul or my heart, Mensim Jonga.
Mensin Junga.
Mensim Jonga.
Yeah, I love you, baby.
My heart, my soul.
Yeah.
Okay?
All
So
right.
today we are going to check the Jingkmen
The Jingkmen.
official music video.
Yeah,
we have
dropped 1 month back.
Yeah. We have Eibanroy Langstieh. Ajahn Langstieh. Okay?
Langstieh.
From Elvis
Taba Studio.
Yeah, we are going to check this.
Yeah.
And there is no subtitle, guys. We are going to tell you how the video look like,
Everything,
the vibe,
you know.
the beats,
All
the
right.
people, everything. Stay tuned. Don't forget subscribe. Join the African family, guys. Subscribe, guys. Join us now. Let's start.
Oh, disco.
The Jingkmen.
Sexy ladies.
Yes, sir.
In the house. My boy.
You see the Jingkmen, guys, or who is the Jingkmen?
Who sang the song?
Kani kajeng sedang Jingkmen kajeng kadisian yang tung bayapi angan keduk mentah tupai lagi kmat bersyapet jangan tuklet no baro jings no sing turkino mentah
1, 2, 3, come on.
Hidup Jingkmen hidup gam bukan yang hendrana baknati dina kadang bagi yang tentang hidup skun tentang hidup yang hendrana baknati dina kadang bagi yang
There is no subtitle, guys. We are just trying to enjoy it, right? So this guy, I just like the way he move like this. Shah Rukh Khan, if you watch Shah Rukh Khan movie, he has that pose where he used to do like this in a movie, man. That's look the same, man. Let's enjoy it, man.
Mùa cả chính yên ba phi clay hanga ngô ru đã Jingkmen đã chính yên ngàn hoa shat ngọc hà las lam nga yai ab nga chuk ni lam ti la nu sha kapor ba kan poi lan Jingkmen ba pi Jingkmen Skopa Ali minya shatlang Wat pi Wat nga Mama tutup bani Adai Kapor Ka ayam Skopa Linti Kaba Lashai Ilma ba yaka Wat nom Koslai Shisin haba laban Menta Kendrai Jingkmen Korban
Ngan ai tilot baru ya kasihan jangan
Mati pru ya kata Papin ikan yang Ngak baru dalai Lana lor jangan
Let's get married.
Weba Shisin Babel Ya bida lele Kembali Kembali Kembali
I will take you to America, Africa, Asia, Almighty Let's go. We have good vibes. Hey, more boy. Alright, I thought they were about to give more boy, man. Come here, baby. Okay.
Why are you gay?
Why are you gay? So guys, this is the video.
It was
Seriously,
nice.
it was very nice. We enjoyed it when
Yeah.
we danced. We gave it that vibe. The energy is there. Everything is there.
You know, this song can be so nice in the party, like
In the
yeah.
disco, like
in a
the
party.
big speakers like
It'd
this.
be nice when it's
Oh.
ding, ding,
With
ding.
that
The
light,
beat-
that hidden light, you know, that
Yeah.
disco light.
The beat is nice and it has well organized also dancing.
Although we didn't understand, but it was a romantic song. From
Yeah,
the way
we can
saw
understand.
them.
Yeah, it's romantic song, love
Romantic
song. We can
yeah.
say that.
Yeah.
It's really amazing. We just know that the Jingkmen is he the singer, or let's just know who is the singer.
Yeah, who sang the song? Yeah, we want to know.
Because
On the comment
one
section
boy
below.
is there and one lady, right?
Yeah.
Are they both the singer and the dancer, or they were just dancers there of this song?
Yep.
Though everyone did well, the dancers was so good.
100%.
The outfit,
Super.
the movement, the song was nice.
Was lit.
Dancing,
Manji,
Chonga,
Mansi,
Jonah.
Arsenal, Barcelona, Real Madrid. I will take you to everywhere.
So thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, no more, and don't forget, kindly subscribe, share.
comment, like,
Love you all. Peace out, Shillong, Meghalaya,
from
North,
Africa
East,
boys.
North,
All right.
West.
Peace out.